Ready to dive deeper? Let's get started. Picture it as an empty canvas, waiting for you to create something truly unique for your business. On this canvas, you'll have full control. Every message, every action, every condition is completely customizable to match your goals and brand identity perfectly. Besides these fully custom-built automations, Manychat makes your life easier with a helpful Basics section within the Automation tab. Here you can quickly set up essential automation responses, such as welcoming new users, providing default replies, or guiding conversations when someone first interacts with your page. By blending these foundational automations with the customized flows you'll create, you're able to build a powerful communication system effortlessly, engaging your audience more effectively than ever. Now, let's talk about navigating the Flow Builder itself. Flow Builder is an intuitive visual automation editor designed to simplify the creation of even complex automations. Imagine being able to see every message, action, and interaction neatly mapped out visually. This big-picture approach lets you easily track the complete journey your users will experience, making adjustments and improvements straightforward. Whether you're planning a detailed customer support workflow or launching an advanced sales funnel, Flow Builder's visual interface will save you plenty of time. Let's take a closer look at how the Flow Builder workspace is structured so you feel confident and comfortable working inside it. Starting from the top, you'll notice a header packed with useful tools. Here, you can name or rename your automation easily using the editing icon, undo or redo recent changes, preview your automation as if you were the user, and publish your flow when it's ready. Moving along, let's explore the right sidebar in your Flow Builder workspace. You'll notice an option to quickly switch between Flow Builder and Basic Builder views. This makes it simple for you to jump back and forth whenever you need a different perspective on your automation. The plus icon opens up your full collection of blocks, the building pieces of your automation. Here, you can add messages, actions, conditions, and more, all designed to enhance interactions with your audience. There's also an auto-arrange button. Imagine working on a big puzzle, and suddenly everything neatly snaps into place. This feature tidies up your workspace automatically, making complex automations look clean and easy to follow. Need to zoom in or out? Adjust your view effortlessly with the provided zoom buttons, especially helpful when your automation gets more intricate. Now let's take a quick glance down at the footer section. Here you'll find fast access to tools that make your Flow Builder experience smoother. For example, there's a helpful guide on zooming and navigating large workflows. Even more exciting, you have direct access to Manychat's built-in AI Flow Builder assistant. Imagine having a chatbot expert beside you, guiding your automation creation process step by step, suggesting improvements as you go. Finally, we arrive at the heart of Flow Builder, the central workspace itself. Here's where your automations truly come alive. You start by clicking plus new trigger to define exactly what kicks off your automation, perhaps a comment, a keyword, or another specific user action. Next, you select the first step. This can be a welcome message, an engaging question, or a specific action that sets the stage for what follows. Once you've placed any block into your workspace, hover over it, and you'll see two helpful icons appear. One lets you instantly duplicate the step, saving you time. The other, a red trash icon, makes it easy to remove unnecessary steps with a single click. Now, let's briefly walk through how you can create your first practical automation using Flow Builder. To illustrate, let's briefly imagine creating an automation for a travel agency. Your automation might include interactive messages with buttons to recommend travel destinations or customize packages, guiding your audience smoothly through their booking decisions. Next, action blocks allow your chatbot to perform important tasks such as tagging users based on their choices. Actions can include subscribing users to sequences, notifying an admin, or opening a live conversation, helping you keep your automation personalized and efficient. The data collection block empowers you to gather essential user information seamlessly. By capturing valuable data through simple questions, you can personalize future interactions, segment your audience effectively, and ensure every message feels genuinely tailored. Then there's the condition block. This allows your automation to make smart decisions. Depending on user responses or previous interactions, you can send different users down different conversational paths, creating customized experiences that feel personal and responsive. The randomizer block adds creativity and variety to your automations. You can test various message options by randomly guiding users down different paths, allowing you to experiment and find which version resonates most effectively with your audience. Start automation and smart delay blocks further enhance your automation capabilities. The Start automation block connects multiple automations together, perfect for creating modular, reusable workflows. Meanwhile, the Smart Delay block adds timed pauses, ensuring your messages arrive at just the right moments, keeping interactions natural and engaging. After building your flow, don't forget to preview and thoroughly test it using the intuitive buttons provided at the top right corner. This guarantees your users always receive the seamless experience you envisioned. One final important element: triggers. These determine when your automation starts. It might be when users type a certain keyword, interact with your content, or scan a QR code. Adding and customizing triggers is straightforward. Just go to your starting step, select plus new trigger, pick the right option for your channel and your objective, and you're ready to go. Quick note: always ensure your chosen trigger matches the correct platform. For instance, Instagram-specific triggers must be paired with Instagram automations, ensuring flawless execution. Now, equipped with these insights, tips, and powerful tools, you're ready to build and launch meaningful, intelligent automations that truly connect with your audience and elevate your business in 2025 and beyond.